Brittany.
And I'm Dustin, and we're with Frontier Basement Systems and Dr. Energy Saver.
So it's a little cold out. I don't know how y'all are feeling about it. I love cold weather.
Yeah, you're a big fat liar.
My nose growing.
It is freezing outside. Absolutely freezing.
So,
and I'm tired of it. I'm ready for summer already.
I'm always down for summer. So
Okay.
got a lot of calls about insulation.
Yeah.
Lots of people like, hey, by the way, it's cold outside. It's freezing. It's not going to get any warmer for probably another month or so. Maybe. Maybe 2. I'm not sure. But we got at least another month of this. It's going to probably get a little worse before it gets better. So now we're really looking at our insulation. Our homes are drafty. Or it's the door. Is it the ceiling? Is it the crawl space? What you got? We were talking about don't blow.
You're doing fine. I'm going to let you keep talking.
Don't blow insulation into your home.
Right.
So you hear different theories about, hey, it's cold, let's just throw a bunch of insulation in there. Just
Right.
add some inches.
Yeah, so don't add insulation inside your house. It's a really bad idea. I was talking to my cousin just over New Year's, and he was looking at buying this his first house, and they said, well, we just need 5 more inches of insulation. Well, if you're feeling cold and drafty inside your house, it's not because of the lack of insulation. It's because air is escaping out of your house, and new air has to be brought in because air is escaping out of your house. And that new air that's coming in is drafty, cold air. So that's why you're feeling the drafts. It's the fact that your house is not air sealed properly. So fix the air seals first.
Yeah.
Fix the air seals first, then you can add insulation. Until you fix the air seals, do not add insulation to your house whatsoever, because it's not going to do anything for you. And, if it's not going to do anything for you, it's a total waste of money. And it may be something you have to remove just so you can fix the air sealing later, and that could cost you more money. So don't add insulation to your house. Fix the air seals first. And, really there's lots of ways to be able to test for that, especially when it's really cold like this. If you're feeling the drafts, that's a really good indication that air is coming from that area, and just follow it back until you get to the exterior of the house and start air sealing it with zip foam, single part foam. You can buy it from Lowe's or Home Depot, or even Walmart sells it. Just pay attention to the date on the can, because they do go bad over time. And then once you fix those spots, then you can add insulation. But until then, don't do it.
All right, so he has technical things, and we have inspectors. They'll check it all out. But for me, I look in, if I can see light coming through, that's my general.
Absolutely, yeah. You can, if you're seeing daylight, that's a problem.
Right, well, yeah.
That's a big problem. And so if you're seeing daylight, those things need to be repaired. So, around your doors, you can put seals around your doors and your windows and those types of things. But the places to look first are going to be the bottom of the house, the basement area, or the crawl space, and then the top of the house, so the attic portions and stuff like that. And that does mean getting up into your attic and crawling around and looking for all those areas that you can seal up. Sometimes you can feel around your light switches, and if you're feeling cold air, that is all the way from the attic. So make sure that you crawl all the way up there to seal around those little tiny holes. Or if you're going to hire a contractor to do it, make sure that they're doing that before they're adding the insulation.
Perfect.
All right,
Yeah,
well, that's all we got this week.
information.
I know it's a long video, but we appreciate you watching, and Happy New Year.
If you have questions, shoot them to us. Happy New Year.
All right, we'll see you next week.
Good luck in the cold.
Oh, if you need to call us for a free inspection, or if you want us to come out there and air seal your house, you can give us a call. Our toll-free number is 1-866-682-4420, or...
One too much H2O.
Thanks.
Bye. Have a great week.
Bye.